Hello and welcome to Binam Learning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a global variable in Oracle Integration Cloud. Open the integration in which you want to create a global variable. On the right side, there is an option with the symbol X over here. Click on this. So this will open a global variable creation window. Click on this add variable. Give the meaningful name. See, I have given as a first global variable. From the drop down, you can select from the data type option. Currently, global variable could be created with the data type as string, boolean, date, datetime, object, number. By selecting object, we can create a variable of complex, like we want to create a variable of complex type, then we can create using this object. As I have selected, create this variable of variable type input. It is creating a variable of input type, which is not possible with assign. Okay. In assign, only option to create the variable is of type string. Okay, but in a global variable, there is an option to create a variable with string, date, datetime, and object. The scope of the global variable created is within this integration canvas as well as in the global fault. So we don't have to create a separate global variable or for global fault on the integration. So the global variable created will be visible in the entire integration canvas, be it within a scope, at a child scope or the parent scope, any level, and the global fault. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe the channel.